Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm just going to do a quick video. Just want to show you how you can reset your oil monitoring system on your Ford Focus. So let's go ahead and get started. And this is what we're talking about right here. You'll get this message that'll pop up that says oil change required. Whenever you do your oil change, you should be resetting that. If you want to see the video I did where I showed how to change your oil on this vehicle, this particular one is a 2014 Ford Focus. You can check it out via the link above. I'll also have it down in the description, along with a few other videos I've done pertaining to this vehicle, its transmission, things like that. But if you don't clear it, that's going to pop up whenever you put the key in. Now, if you want to see it, if you come here and you toggle over and you go down to information, and if you come all the way down, normally it's going to start off, you're going to be up here somewhere. You can see there where it's talking about your key. But if you toggle all the way down, it's going to say, whoops, hold on, past it. It's going to say one active message. If we click to the right, it'll store any messages. In this particular case, it's only the oil change. Oil change required. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to show you quick and easy how to reset that so you can get that off of there. You want to make sure that you're doing it, though, when you do your oil change. That way it's calculating it properly. Now, to reset it, we're going to take our key. We're going to put it in here in the ignition. We're going to turn it to the on position, but don't start the vehicle. Next, we're going to come down here. We're going to press gas and brake together. And we're going to hold them for about 25 seconds. There you go. Service oil reset in progress. And we're going to keep holding it down until it lets us know that it's done resetting it. And there we are. Oil reset complete. At that point, take your feet off the gas and brake combined, and everything is clear. Let's come back here. Let's go down to information. 0 messages active. It cleared it out of there. All right, well, that was it. Quick and easy how to reset that. As mentioned already, you want to reset it every time you change your oil and filter. That way it's calculating it properly and it's not giving you the message at the wrong time. So whenever you do your oil and filter change, make sure that you change that. Quick and easy. Put your key in the ignition, hold brake and gas pedal down together for approximately 20 to 25 seconds. You'll see the message come up letting you know once it's completed and you're good to go. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel. I hope this video was informative for you. As mentioned already, check out some of my other links down in the description to other videos I've done pertaining to this vehicle. As mentioned already, it's a 2014 Ford Focus SE. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos with this vehicle in the upcoming future here pertaining to the transmission. This vehicle is known for having transmission problems. I'm going to show you hopefully how you can fix it or at least reset things to make it work better. So please like, subscribe. I appreciate all the support. I'll see you next time.